welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Here, you're looking at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Corvette. As you notice, the chrome bumpers, hideaway lights, beautiful. 454 V8, 365 horse, hood scoop, very nice. Wheels, all the emblems, auto ventilation, tinted glass. Body lines are just gorgeous. Silver City Gray is the name of the color. As you notice, the gas cap, the way it should be, with the rubber, brand new. All the right stuff, very nice. It's got dual flow masters, dual exhaust. Another thing you notice is the dual mirrors also. The leather interior. Looks like it was just done. Dash, no cracks, no issues. Carpet, very nice. Door panels. This is the best part, engine compartment, very presentable. Here you got a 454, 365 horse, air conditioned car. Hideaway wipers. Dual electric fans. Here again. Door panels. Interior, data plate, seat belts. Bye-bye. Thank you. Looks like you just turned 107,000 miles. All the gauges. Just beautiful, gorgeous car. Has a nice AM/FM CD stereo. It's got all the compartments behind the seats. This is the best part. Turnkey car. Windows. Both. Emergency brake. The lights go on. As you can tell, as I let it off. Seatbelt. The best part. See ya.